Hello and welcome to another train modeling workshop video. And as you can see, we are doing the next Small Railroader magazine, September 2020. Sorry about the delay for the Small Railroader magazine. Been kind of busy. But as you can see, how to detail a diesel. Saw most of this stuff, and as you can see, the modern air vehicles are now available by Woodland Scenics. Very nice pickup truck, very cool. And here are some new products. Electromotive Division F7A, F7B diesel locomotive. Cool new stuff. Super Simple Lighting by Model Train Technology. Here's another how-to video. How-to by Model Railroader. Step-by-step processes is how to make brakes and fuses. As you can see, step-by-step. Detailing a diesel locomotive. Now this is extremely realistic how they detail this diesel locomotive. I'll just show you all the steps. It takes up most of this magazine, as you can see. And here's a Model Railroader book, Modeling Cities and Towns. And this was pretty cool, I say. It's not a 3D printer, but it's like a printer that you can print files and then cut them out. Yeah. And it makes these awesome buildings. Might want to try that one time. Here's some of it. Also, West Texas Speedway, a nice model train layout in this magazine. Very nice. Here's the track plan for it. Very nice coal district. Here's Santa Fe, and yeah. A department store for Main Street. This is a Kit Bash department store. And another detailed how-to on this magazine. The 70s. Yeah. How to populate passenger cars. Another how-to video on how to put some people in your passenger cars. Yes. See. Our friend's Genesis 2.0 EMD SD90 Mac-H. And that is awesome. Look how realistic that Union Pacific is. And here is the motor. This is a review. And this is the BLI Paragon 3 N Scale EMD SD70 ACE diesel locomotive. No spoke center. There's its motor. And look at this mountain layout right here. This is very nice. Narrow gauge, I think it is. And here are some photographs of some layouts. And here's all the advertisements on this. And here's the stores. So yeah. And here's another cartoon image drawing. He's looking at Mile Railroader cartoons. So yeah. And also, these been out for a while now on Train World. The new 75th anniversary Thomas and Friends is out. Thomas, Percy, Annie Clarabelle, Troublesome Trucks are all out on Train World. And probably our stores too. But they are pretty cool. I don't know if I'll like to get one or not. But they are pretty cool. But they're kind of small and scale like itty bitty. So yeah. But it's made for the 75th anniversary, as you can see by Bachmann. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's about it for this video. Please tell us how you like our videos. Please tell us how you like this magazine. And goodbye for now.